Well, we're heading down the road. We're getting ready to go check out a skid steer. That was one of my first projects, to get a skid steer so I could help myself out at the farm. This weather, we're supposed to be getting snow. It's overcast right now. We're supposed to be getting anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in northeast Kansas. And I don't know if I like that or not. We've been pretty lucky though so far with the amount of snow that we've got. But we do need the precipitation. It is dry here. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. Well, as you can see, we got snow yesterday and last night, in the tune of about 2 inches or so. Real fluffy stuff, nothing real heavy. But that came on the tail end of me going down looking at a skid loader yesterday in Rossville, Kansas. And nice little unit. Ended up being got them ISO pilot controls on it, and that is something new to. I'm used to the two handles running, you know, forward and backwards. But anyway, it was a nice unit. It might be something that I can add to the ranch here. It ends up being, if I get it, it will help out considerably. I'm going to tell you that right now. It's I can't lift like I used to, and that little machine would do quite well, I think, out here. It's man, it is so pretty out here with all the snow on the branches. As you can see, it was so light that it just stuck to all the branches. I'm not see a lot of rabbit tracks around, but it just looks so ominous walking through here with all this snow hanging on the trees. Wow, that is something. And again, out past these trees a ways is where, here in a couple years possibly, we're going to build a house or a barnuminium. I'm kind of looking forward to that. All these trees will be gone. You won't, this will all be opened up, cleaned up. And I think there's going to be a lot of video made of this stuff. It's not going to be just one and done kind of thing. I'm going to be making lots of videos out here. But I also like going fishing. I also like going hunting. And doing other stuff. Working on equipment. Well, that's about it for this video. Like I always say, outdoors is where the fun begins. So get out there, and I'll see you on the next one.